Good luck putting the fork down after you try this creamy chicken pasta with roasted broccoli. This is the perfect weeknight dinner. It's super easy, and with just a few steps you can add so much flavor to your pasta. Once you finish cooking the chicken, save the brown bits. We're gonna add garlic, some white wine to deglaze, and of course some butter. Next we're gonna add our heavy cream, our half a block of cream cheese, and our mozzarella. Add a little pasta water if you find the sauce is a little thick, and then we can toss our spaghetti in. Look how creamy this pasta is. Add your chicken back into the pan, your roasted broccoli. You can top off with a little parsley and Parmesan cheese, and you have the most amazing weeknight pasta dinner.